Hello friends, in this video I will show how to install Anaconda 3 on Linux based operating systems, mainly Ubuntu based distros. I am using KDE Neon for this purpose. Search on Google for Anaconda installation on Linux. Go to the link. From that link open Anaconda installable download files. Click download. Now for Linux, download the 64-bit 529 MB file. I have already downloaded. Here's in my download folder .sh. It's a bash command file. You have to first install the dependencies before installing Anaconda. So just copy the command, write sudo space and paste the command. Install. Provide your password, the root password. Type Y to confirm. This will install the dependencies itself on the terminal. Now we have to find the downloaded .sh file for Anaconda. We have to, this is the bash command, we have to type bash space the link of the downloaded file where it is located in our file manager. So I just use the drop down method, which is the easiest, and hit enter. Now you will be greeted with something. Go to the bottom of the license agreement. You can say yes or no. If you accept, type yes. The installation will begin right away. You can see where it is going to be installed. Home, user, Anaconda 3. This will take some time. Be patient. It will depend on your hard drive. If it's SSD, it will be faster. It's same for all Linux distributions. Just the first dependency command is a little different. Now we will have to accept for something. After this payload is unpacked, we will have to type yes. It's saying, do you wish to install to initiate Anaconda by Conda init. If it asks us, we will say yes. I am watching my resource. See, with all those installation, I am using only 1.3 gigabytes of memory out of my 8 GB. In Windows, the boot memory is almost 3 GB. The file is being extracted. I am not fast forwarding anything. Just be patient. By the way, I am actually a huge fan of Manjaro Linux and KDE desktop environment, but Manjaro requires too many updates, which I cannot afford. When I am on travel, it costs a lot, and I don't like to update things that frequent. It makes systems unstable. The next best thing I found is KDE Neon. Ubuntu was a good option, but I would have missed the KDE Plasma latest features, which I don't want. Now we have to type yes or no. If you don't type no or wait too long, it will accept no. So type yes and hit enter. Now it says that thank you for installing Anaconda, as it says on the page, installation page. Now we have to update all the Conda. Before that, we are going to start our base terminal. you can either exit from the terminal and reopen it, or just type source bashrec. I am doing that. Drop down that command. I'm not good at typing things. So you can now see the base line before my username. It means that I can, whenever I type Anaconda -navigator, it will turn on. It will run the Anaconda navigator. I don't have to set base. Now we have to run another command. We'll set it to true. It's written here false or true. We have to enter it as true, so that the terminal always runs on base. It don't harm or do anything to system. Now we should do some updating. We can use commands like conda update all or conda update Anaconda navigator. I think since I have downloaded the latest version, conda update navigator Anaconda navigator is sufficient enough. But however, I have done it the all command. Conda update Anaconda -navigator. Hit enter. It started to check updates. If there is any update, updates will be installed. It's done. Type Y and hit enter. It's actually not that necessary. I am just following the instruction in the web page. You are all done. Thank you.